I'm trying to make my hat stand up straight, but I don't think it will. How you doing, everybody? It is Vlogmas day 9. Day 9. Already day 9. Crazy. Can't even believe it. I hope you're having a great Christmas season so far. I know I am. And I'm super excited to show you the next idea in my Pinterest board for crochet garlands for the 2022 Vlogmas year. This one is super cute, right? And that's kind of why I was playing with my hat, because it's gnomes, and like gnomes have these tall pointy hats. But I don't think mine's gonna stay up. So yeah, these gnomes are adorable. It's another one by GoldenLucyCrafts.com. I don't know why I have a hard time saying that. She's a super cute designer. I've kind of discovered her recently, and I love a lot of her really cute ideas. And she's got quite a few for garlands for Christmas. So check her out. But yeah, these little gnomes are really, really cute. And I know a lot of people out there collect gnomes and really like gnomes. So I thought it would be perfect for Vlogmas. I hope you're doing great. I hope that your holiday season is going well and you're finding a little bit of time to just sit back, relax, and maybe watch Frosty or Rudolph or Charlie Brown Christmas or Christmas Carol or Elf or A Christmas Story. There's so many, right? There's a ton of Christmas movies. Anyway, I hope you're having a lot of fun with your family and friends and getting a little bit of an opportunity to do the fun stuff of the holiday season and not getting too stressed out. That's my wish for you. All right, everybody, I'm going to leave you to it. As always, if you're interested in checking out any of these ideas, check out the link to my Pinterest board. It's down in the description box below. It's going to take you to the board where all of these ideas are for the entire Vlogmas, and you can check them out and maybe see if you want to give one a try. I'd love to hear if you do. Okay, everybody, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.